How to find your pin in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find your pin in your Roblox account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Roblox account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Roblox account, all you have to do is just simply go to the settings icon from the right hand side of the screen, and from there just go to the settings option, and over here you will see that you won't be able to find your pin. So in order to find the pin, all you have to do is just go to the settings icon again, and from there just go to the safety and just select help center from here. And now just on the search bar just simply search for pin, and now just select the article I forgot the pin, and it will ask you to fill the contact form. Just simply tap on it, and over here just enter all these details like your name, your email address, and the issue that you are facing in which device, for example Mac or PC. Just select your category, select the first one, and just select that account pin, which is the problem that you're facing. And you can write something along the line that you won't be able to find your Roblox pin and won't be able to access the settings of your account, and you want to change your pin. So just and ask them to help you out about that. And once you're done entering all these details, just simply click on continue, and your contact form will be sent to the Roblox, and the Roblox contact team will reach out to you and help you regarding resetting your pin. And just reset your pin following the instructions given by the Roblox itself, and there you go. That's how you will be able to do it. So this is basically how you will be able to find your pin in your Roblox account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.